thank you for this day as our visitors. We are really glad for having you as AMI. My name is Usinje Gloria. I am a teacher in Kigali Hill Sides Academy. We are so really happy for having you on this day. For this campaign, it helps our children to know how they can avoid some diseases that may affect them through not washing their hands, and many diseases that may affect them in their lives. So we are really glad to have you today, and also we thank you for remembering us and come here for visiting us. We are really glad and we thank you all. Thank you.
My name is Amahidwa Queen. I am in primary 4. I study at Kigali Hill Sides Academy. We are so happy because the visitors came to visit us. They teach us good things. They teach us to change our mind, and we be in harmony in the society. And they teach us to be clean everywhere, to avoid disease like malaria, dysentery and diarrhea, and you shall be okay, and we change our mind. So they teach us very good things. Now we can be well in the society and be in harmony with everyone to get a good country. So it is good that they come to visit us. Thank you so much. We shall meet again.
1, 2.